Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Lauben Sous Vide stick SV01. It's a precision cooker with 1200 watt power. It's a professional vacuum Immersion Circulator for our home kitchen. And for our home it comes a Michelin quality cooking style. Have we ever wanted our professional chefs make the delicious meals out there? We tried this sous vide stick and bring Michelin quality to our kitchen. It is easier than we think. Sous vide versus the traditional cooking style. Sous vide method beats traditional cooking in almost every way. We make tastier and healthier meals at home, using less oil and keeping more nutrient substances. And with perfect result every time. No more undercooked, chewy or burnt food. With the Lauben high accuracy temperature digital timer, we will get perfect meal every time. And it's ready to use. The package includes also 2 vacuum bags, which can be used without vacuum sealer. Yes, that's right. It's correct. We do not need to buy additional machines. We just unpack, plug it in, and we are ready to go for a hassle-free cooking. We just set up the timer and the temperature, and everything else is handled by the precision cooker. Plus, we will use less dishes, and cleaning the stick itself is a breeze. We will finally have some free time on Sunday mornings. We promise. We cook at home like a Michelin restaurant. The device, the appliance, has only one control button. One LED light, which emits red and green and some information LED lights. Red means that the device is, of course, it's on, because on it means that the LED is on. The red lights that the cooker is on, the LED. The blue light, the water has reached the required temperature, and then the cut down has been started. And the green light means the time is up, the end of the cooking cycle. Once the food is finished, we press the control button and the cooker shuts down. That's easy, really. We want to enjoy delicious, healthy food that won't take all afternoons to prepare. We want to prepare meat at home that will melt in our mouth, but we won't lose volume and always retain its shape and color. We don't have to go to a restaurant, of course. The Lauben Sous Vide stick is the ideal kitchen aid for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours slaving over a hot stove but still wants to get the most out of their ingredients. Thanks to the sous vide cooking method, the foods retain all the flavors, the smells, and nutrients after lost in conventional cooking. We simply turn on the cooker and immerse it in a pot, along with the prepared food in the included special Ziploc bags. The Lauben Sous Vide stick will take care of the rest of us, leaving us to a savior and amazing results. Stylish, intuitive operation, process temperature settings, and we have an automatic timer. This is sous vide cooking. It's always been perfect results. We can make an easy operation with it. We make sure that the cooker is unplugged. We attach the round clamp to the port rim. We insert the cooker into the clamp. We fill the pot so that the water is between minimum and maximum indicator. We place the pot with the cooker near a socket and make sure it is not in the proximity of a heat source such as a stove. And we plug in the cooker. To set up the cooker, turn the control button until we have reached the required value. We press the button. We set up the cooker time in the same way. Okay? In the same way. That's easy. Oh, yay. Then we can see the LED lights. Red is on. Blue means we reach the temperature. Then the countdown will begin. And the green means time is up. Once the food is finished, we press the control button and the cooker shuts down. And we can have a good, nice, delicious meal. Cooking without worries and always great results. Thanks to the special sous vide method, which is based on cooking at lower temperatures in a vacuum. All dishes retain their original shape and color. With the Lauben Sous Vide stick, our food will never get burned, overcooked, or spoiled. Freshness in all flavors and aromas are kept in. That is why this method is used by chefs in Michelin restaurants. Now it is possible to cook using this method at home, with almost no preparation time and a cooker that will take care of everything for us. The model is the Lauben SV01. The motor output is 1200 watt. The minimum temperature is plus 20 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 95 degrees Celsius. In sous vide cooking methods, you will never reach the boiling point. This is important. The minimum water depth is 11 centimeters. The minimum water volume is 10 liters. The maximum water volume is 15 liters. We have the pump output is 8.5 liters per minute. And input comes from 220 volts up to 240, 50 and 60 Hz. And we have simple to use and a minimal design. The Lauben Sous Vide stick is intuitive and can be operated by nearly everyone. The display shows everything we need to know, the current temperature and the remaining cooking time. We control the cooker with a single button and follow the prompters through the LEDs, light emitted diodes. No need to read lengthy instructions. We will find the QR code on the box. And then we can see and scan this for the manual or for a simple video tutorial, for example. The Lauben Sous Vide stick takes up almost no space in the kitchen, but thanks to its clean and minimalist design, it is great design accessories. Now on my channel, I will publish to make delicious burgers with that cooking method and of course make steak with it. Delicious steaks with the maximum nutrients and minimum of fat. The sous vide method means we will never lose valuable vitamins and nutrients from our food ingredients. In addition, throughout the preparation, we will need to use just the minimum amount of fat or oil. Not only will we get the most out of our food with minimal effort, but unlike the traditional cooking methods, we don't need to add unhealthy fats to our food that are sometimes otherwise necessary. We have great results every time. We will never burn or overcook our food, and it will always retain its original aroma, color, and shape. And we can make healthier cooking. The sous vide method preserves all nutrients and vitamins while cooking, and we don't need any fat to prepare our food. And we cook at only a touch of a button. We don't need any extra devices and complicated connections and set up via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to control the Lauben Sous Vide stick. They have integrated all the controls into only one button. Everybody can handle this quickly and comfortable. And precision temperature control. Depending on the type of the food to be cooked, simply set the temperature in the range of 20 up to 95 degrees Celsius, and the cooker then regulates with a maximum diversity of 1%. And it's already off the box. With this Lauben Sous Vide stick, we have everything we need to sous vide cooking right out of the box. No other purchases are necessary. The Ziploc bags are included, so all we need is a pot with depth of at least 11 centimeters. And with a high power of 1200 watts, that ensures instant and accurate water heating to the desired temperature. This will help us prepare our food in less time and always achieve the perfect results. As well as this, we can prepare several stuff, so we no longer have to stress about cooking for a family gathering. And results in as little as 15 minutes. Cooking using the sous vide method needn't take hours. For example, fish can be prepared in a quarter of an hour, and most recipes take no more than 60 minutes. But take care, sous vide is a slow cooking method. And safety in our kitchen. We do not have to worry about leaving the room while cooking with the Lauben Sous Vide stick. The device is protected against overheating, against low water level, and it is, of course, completely waterproof. So that's easy, and this makes a delicious cooking experience for you in your own kitchen. Lauben Sous Vide stick SV01. This is a precision cooker with 1200 watt. It's a professional vacuum immersion circulation for our home and for our home kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!